Welcome, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Brian from the County Library's South Main Clinic Reading Room, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of accessing Flipster. Flipster is the library's digital magazine collection. Through Flipster, you can access more than 180 different magazine titles, with subjects that range from sports, home improvement, crafts, outdoor activities, and everything else in between. This video is going to focus on downloading the Flipster app to your mobile device or smartphone. An accompanying video shows you how to access Flipster via the library's homepage. To access the Flipster app, you're going to go to your mobile device's app store, go to the search option and type in Flipster, F-L-I-P-S-T-E-R. Once you type that in, it should be at the top of the search results. Once those appear, you're going to tap on the Get button. I've already downloaded it once, so I have that little cloud. So keep in mind that you will need a library card number to access the content on the Flipster app. If you don't have a library card yet, you can go to the library's website. In the upper right corner, there's a My Account link that you're going to click on. And then there's a short online application that you fill out. And then you can access the library's digital content from there, including the Flipster app. So once the app has downloaded, you're going to click on Get Started. Now you also want to allow it to access your location. That way it'll bring up all the libraries that offer the Flipster digital content. You're going to click on the Salt Lake County Library option. And then from here, you're going to actually type in your library card number. And then once you do that, you'll have access to the full content. Once you've added your library card number, you'll then be able to access all the content. So the main page will give you some of the most current issues that are available. In the upper left corner, there's a categories button that you can tap on, and that'll list all the different categories available. This clicked on entertainment, so that'll bring up all the entertainment magazines. Tap on the magazine that you're interested in. In this case, it was OK. Now you're going to have to download the magazine, so you're going to tap on the download button. The nice thing about this is once it has been downloaded, you can access the magazine without an internet connection. So once the magazine is downloaded, you're going to click on the green button to read, and then that'll bring up the magazine. You can just swipe to access. In the upper right corner, there's 3 bars. If you tap on that, that's going to bring up the magazine content, and you can select a specific article. You can also go back to your library to see which magazines you have accessed. And then you can tap on the magazine and resume flipping through.